You need to hear this if you're a homeowner who loves saving money and the planet. Imagine slashing your electricity bills while helping the environment. With our 10000W 600W wind turbine generator and bifacial solar panel kit, you can make it happen. This kit is perfect for any homeowner looking to go green. Installation is a breeze, and the benefits? They're huge. We're talking about long-term savings and energy independence. The wind turbine works day and night, while the bifacial solar panels soak up energy from both sides, double the efficiency. It's like having your own personal power plant right at home. Plus, you'll be contributing to a cleaner, healthier planet for future generations. Say goodbye to high utility bills and hello to renewable energy. So what are you waiting for? Take the leap today and invest in your home's future with our ultimate wind and solar combo kit. Join the green revolution now. Your wallet and the earth will thank you.